Okay, today we're going to talk about finding the sum and the product of the roots. It might seem a little silly at first, but it will make more sense tomorrow because we're going to learn how to use this information to write equations. So once again, please make sure if you chose not to print this out that you take out a sheet of paper. So to find the sum and product of the roots, you're going to, once again, make sure the equation is in standard form. Off to the side, we're going to list our A, B, and C values. You're going to plug those values into the formula. If you are asked to find the sum, it's negative B over A, and the product is C over A. So if we look at the first example, it says find the sum and the product. So first, off to the side, since my equation is equal to 0, I'm going to list my A, my B, and my C. The sum formula is negative B over A. My product formula is C over A. Just plug in your numbers. Negative 4 over 2, so that's negative 2. So the sum of the roots is negative 2. The product is 7 over 2. We can't reduce that, so we're going to leave it. So the product of the roots is 7 over 2. That's it. If we look at the second example, again, the question says find the sum and the product of the roots. So first, make sure your equation is equal to 0. Second, we're going to list the A, the B, and the C. Once again, the trick here, if nothing's written in front of the X, there's really a 1. My sum formula is negative B over A. So plug those values in. So that reduces or simplifies. The sum of the roots is 1/3. The product formula is C over A. So here, my sum is 1/3, my product is 1/3. Next example, again, to find the sum and the product. The trick here, there's no X, it's really like plus 0x. So A is 1, B is 0, and C is 9. The sum of the roots is negative B over A, negative 0 over 1. That becomes just 0. The product of the roots is C over A. My C is 9, my A is 1, so the product of the roots is 9. The last example, for this one, the equation is not equal to 0. So once again, I'm going to move these two terms to the opposite side. We always try to keep the x squared value positive, which is why I'm moving these two to the left. Off to the side, I'm going to list my A, my B, and my C. The sum of the roots is negative B over A, so negative 2 over 2, negative 1. The sum is negative 1. The product of the roots is C over A, so the product here becomes 1/2. Again, I just need you to memorize the formula. Sum is negative B over A, and product is C over A. If you have any questions, please make sure that you write them down and either email me or ask me next time you see me in class.